Yo, what's up? It's MC here. This is pretty much a welcome back to my channel. I know I've been ghost. It's been a while since I've done any content. I've been just kind of laying back, just trying to build my brand better, do more things to the shop to kind of make my work easier, more efficient. But I'd like to announce it. I got a 2-post lift installed now, so my work will be a lot more easier and we'll do a lot more bigger jobs. Like I said, just more efficient. But yeah, this is my bad boy Atlas 9K capacity. It barely fit in the shop. I did a lot of repairs, changes in the shop to even get this to fit in here, like taking out the attic space, putting up a new door, roll-up door back there. But yeah, I'm trying to create more content, more do-it-yourselves, more builds, and just all around more car shit to post for you guys. So bear with me, I'm back. Stay tuned for more content. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm very happy. Finally, it's my dream right there, is have a 2-post lift, and I got it done. It took me 2 years since I left the dealership world and started my own stuff. Yeah, here we go. Shop is still under construction. I'm trying to add extra stuff. I know it's kind of dirty and stuff is everywhere, but just trying to figure out where I'm gonna put everything now. I'm stoked to do more work. I'm trying to create more content, as far as recording and sharing what I do. I know I post a lot of pictures on my Instagram account, MC Auto Honda. I know I do a lot of pictures on my business account as far as Instagram. It is MC_auto_Honda. I get a lot of people following me. That's where I get all my business from. It's just word of mouth of that page, actually. So I'm gonna start more content and putting other people's builds maybe online if they would want me to. I can post them up on videos. I do a lot of engine, transmission rebuilds, just all kind of different stuff on cars, diag. I'm just not. But yeah, guys, this is the newest edition of the shop. Finally got a 2-post lift installed. It's brand new, 9K. I was doing all my work with the quick jack temporarily, but I finally got myself a lift in the shop here. That way I can do work a lot more easier, do bigger jobs easier. So I had to take the whole attic space out here. As you see, this thing barely fits, but I knew it would fit. It was just gonna be a close. But yeah, I love it. A lot more to come, you guys. I'm trying to make more videos again. Try to do some type of garage channel, I believe, something. But yeah, the shop has come along a lot since I've made other videos. As well as we had to put the roll-up door here, change out the door, garage door. That way you can lift up the cars. But yeah, the shop has came a long way. So I'm happy to start, doing some content again. Yeah, for sure. Definitely happy. I'm excited to work now. This side is already, you see I got my sticker bomb going on. I've had these stickers for years and years. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna do a lot.